Welcome back to another episode of Diecast Resurrection. Today's project is a late 70s Cabover. Check this thing out. Click, 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 click. What's this one say? Universal Product 1978. Check it out. Half of the chrome's gone on the front bumper. Anywhere where this little truck could be handled, it's losing its chrome. So that'll make a big difference. And this thing is like, this truck's peeling its paint job like a reptile. So hopefully we can redo some cool retro striping like this, but we'll do it with paint. And get this thing looking a little bit better. The glass is falling down. See that? So it's a cheap casting, but it could be a cool little truck. Why don't we just get started on this today? We'll see where we end up. Who knows? Who knows what'll happen? I don't even know what model and make this is. I haven't done any research. We're kind of just diving into a project, but I do love a good Cabover. It's my preferred truck of choice on American Truck Simulators. This is our big chrome interior. The front's looking pretty bare. So that's going to need a little bit of chrome touch-ups. Their little truck body. It's got quite a few good details on it. I like the little grading piece right there. I got to figure out a plan for this, so maybe we'll get this stripping in the meantime. So let me get set up for that. As long as she's loosened up, that's all we need. Whoa. Alright, I'm pressing my luck, just kind of messing with this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this up, and I'll be right back. So I've been trying to do a little bit of research, trying to figure out what kind of truck this is. And what's got me stumped a little bit, right? We got these headlights that come through as the chrome pieces, which I would say are in the right spot. I'm thinking it's going to make this truck look a lot better if we take off that second set of lights. So some people might hate that I'm about to do this, but guess what? I want this thing to look sweet. Man, what a simple upgrade. Look at that thing. It's OMG, Becky. Look at that grill. For now, let's head to the spray booth. We'll get this thing painted up white. Then we'll come back and figure out what kind of cool retro stripes we're going to put on this thing. Alright, let's go do this. Kind of started on my paint here a little bit. I'm going for something fairly simple. I didn't think I had enough meat right here to do my nice curvy line, so I'm going for a different design. It's still going to be cool, I think. Something like that. So I want to make as much room for cool paint as possible. I want to use something like this today. It's the right kind of paint that's going to give this thing some pizzazz. Bink. So I've started masking this already to try to keep track of what my colors are going to be. That's going to be cool. I've kind of avoided all of our little windows using this paint scheme. The only part I don't really care for is we're overlapping these compartments in the door a little bit. But it should be a nice crispy line anyway, so see if we can make this work here. In the past, when I've worked on little semis like this, I've kind of left the back of the frame here in body color, and usually I regret it. So maybe on this one we'll do it black today. This is the ultimate paint for using on like a Cabover paint job like this, so this is going to be pretty sweet. So I'm going to head to the spray booth and we'll try to put this on here, and hopefully everything goes amazing. Alright, let's look and see how we did here. I think this is going to be another one of those paint jobs that's going to excel if we use the little black vinyls as pinstripes. So it might look a little bit plain without them, but we'll see. More than likely going to be using pinstripes. Oh, it's looking amazing already. Look at it. Ooh, that's why I chose this fastback green. It's got that gold flare to it. It's just like my truck on American Truck Simulator. Oh man, let's just take a second to appreciate that. Hell yeah, man, look at that thing. So she's looking good. She's not looking as good as it was with the black pinstripes, so we're definitely going to incorporate that into our package. I miss that black pinstriping so much, I'm going to do it right now. I'm kind of sitting here quietly putting my little pinstripes back on. Yeah, she's looking real good, I think. I got a bunch of these humongous Subway sandwiches up here for running lights. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to paint them chrome first, and then I'll just do the tips with the orange so they'll be extra flashy, you know what I mean? It looks way better with the chrome, eh? Burr, burr. Hell yeah. Sweet. Thumbs up for Chinese castings, man. I'm feeling these things lately. Cool, she's looking pretty nice so far. I want to go and put this in the oven for a bit. I'm going to bake all this stuff on top, and then we'll paint the back black, do some details, get these mud flaps looking like mud flaps. And then I think I'll be able to do a clear coat on the whole thing. Leave a thumbs up if you're feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling them cab lights. So I've been trying to get these parts looking a little bit better. They're not too bad. I think tried to match up some of these seams on our fuel tanks and stuff a little bit. But like I said, there's been a pretty bad mismatch in when the parts were casted together. They're kind of glued offset. So without going too crazy, I got them all pretty well cleaned up. So once I get these degreased a little bit, we'll head to the spray booth and spray some of this liquid chrome And these should look brand new again. Got our windshield sanded down to 2000. So we're going to give her a little dunk in some floor shine here. It's forking. And then once this dries, I'm going to be good to go on doing an assembly. If that dries like that, I'll be happy. I'll be a happy camper. I like the look of it. That iridescent paint really sets off that vintage vibe. I'm even digging the foot-long clearance lights. Hell yeah, man, right down to the white mud flaps. I like everything about this build. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like to support the channel. Say hello in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one.